What is up, everybody? My name is Justin. This is Forever Self-Employed, and in today's video we're going to be taking a look at the difference between cleaning concrete with chemical versus no chemical. This is a question that I get asked a ton on the channel, so we're going to be doing a visual demonstration so that way you guys can see the difference between cleaning with both, as well as see which one is more effective. But before we get into that, I do want to mention that myself, Mike Vidan, Cody from Southeast Soft Wash, and Aaron from Aaron's Lineman Academy recently released a course called How to Wash, and it covers everything from chemicals and ratios to equipment, and it'll also show you how to properly clean every residential surface that you're going to come in contact with on a job, as well as a bunch more. So if you're interested in that, check out the first link in the comment section and the description. But without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into the video. So the first thing that we're going to be taking a look at in this one is Mike treating this concrete with a 5% roof wash mix. You can see the bleach immediately begin to work on the concrete and start eating away at the growth and the dirt on it. And then after a few minutes of dwell time, we went ahead and rinsed it off, and the concrete came out just as good as new. If you were going to use chemical, you would never really use this hot of a mixture. But as I said, this is more for demonstration purposes, and I'm going to cover which one worked better towards the end of the video. So the next thing that we're going to be taking a look at is Mike using the surface cleaner to clean the sidewalks. So for this demonstration, we didn't use any bleach whatsoever, so that way you guys could see how well it cleaned as well as how fast it cleaned. So after a few passes, we can see that both of these methods produced a very similar result. Because of this, we can make a conclusion that neither way of cleaning is any better than the other, but if we use them both, we can get the best results. So bleach is expensive, and the name of the game is profit. So if we tried to clean the concrete with only bleach, we would be wasting a ton of profit and a ton of money, and we never want to do that. But on the other hand, cleaning with a surface cleaner is effective. However, it is more time consuming. So this is why most professional companies combine both of these methods of cleaning to get the best result. Oftentimes, bleach is applied as a cleaning aid, either before the cleaning as a pre-treatment, or it's applied after the cleaning as a post-treatment. So a pre-treatment is used to help the surface cleaner to clean faster, and a post-treatment is often used to clean up any lines or anything that's left over on the concrete after the surface cleaner is passed. So if you're doing some concrete cleaning and you don't like using chemicals, don't worry. You're going to be fine, and you're going to be able to clean the concrete without using them. However, it just won't be as fast or as effective than if you were to use bleach as a cleaning aid to kind of aid in that cleaning process. Anyway, I know this was a short video today. I just wanted to show you guys the difference between cleaning with chemical and without. So if you have any questions with regards to pressure washing, leave those down in the comment section below. But if you made it this far in the video, comment down below Mr. Clean, and I will hashtag you a real one. But with that being said, my name is Justin. This is Forever Self-Employed, and until next time, hustle hard and get that money, baby. Peace.